Al-Shabaab has nothing to do with Somalis. Let's begin from that point. Has nothing to do with Somalis. And anyone who tries to paint that picture is actually himself working in support of Al-Shabaab, because that is what they want to happen, to create an impression that Al-Shabaab is about Somalis. I mean, look, I am Kisi. There are Kisis who have signed up to Al-Shabaab. You know, so the question is, and it has nothing to do with Islam. It's not even an ideology.
It's a reckless and irresponsible institution as it exists today. What they have done, for which they have not consulted and they have done it unilaterally, is unacceptable to us.
When she told the teachers to come back, she said, "You come back to Kenya." How do you talk like that? And you are a very senior person in government. That one is discriminative, and that lady should withdraw the remarks and also repost the teachers back. Actually, the teachers had no problem.
Tutakuwa tumesurrender kwa Al-Shabaab kama walimu hapana rudishwa haraka iwezekanavyo. Si kawaida yangu mimi kuzungumza kwa ukali, lakini nasikia tu kama watoto wetu hawasomi, kesho wakienda Al-Shabaab tutalaumiwa sisi.
It has become a law unto itself, and we want the government to intervene. We have almost decided now, we will go it alone. We will tell our governors to break all the laws and employ teachers so that, we'll be able to be self-sufficient. But we should not reach the urban CS.